So in this video, I would like to show you how to link student writing to the writing shuffle. So if this is the piece of student writing that you'd like to share, you're going to click on the blue share button, and you want to make sure that the permission is set to anyone with the link can view. This way no one edits your writing accidentally. Copy the link and go back to the writing shuffle. Now I'm the first person to add mine, so I'm going to go right here to this first box and I'm going to enter the title of my writing. So the title of the piece of writing is The Green Door. I'm going to highlight what I've written and I'm going to look for this link button right here. This lets me insert a link and I'm going to click Control V to paste the link into the link field and hit apply. Once I've done that, my piece of writing is linked and I'm going to update this as well so that the text color is a bit darker. And that should be all you need to do. I hope this was helpful.